share Jiggly Doos.
Thank you so much to Jakks Toys for sending us these to review. They look super fun and we haven't seen them in stores yet.
And we're pretty sure that they're Mochi Squishies.
Yeah, they look like Mochi Squishies, which are a little bit different from regular Squishies. They're kind of softer and they kind of feel like Jell-O, don't they?
Yeah.
Should we get started?
Yeah!
So here is the first Jiggly Doos package. It says wiggle, jiggle, and roll.
And they have 2 of them.
Yep, there are 2 of them and they're visible, so they're not like a blind bag, so you can pick the ones that you like. So this one looks like a cat.
And a, turtle.
Yes, and a turtle. Looks super fun. And I don't know how many there are to collect, but let's, oh, and it says Series 1. So these are brand new.
Ooh.
Your hand?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a little tricky. We just have to rip it, maybe. Oops.
Ooh, it's a little turtle.
Does it feel like a Mochi Squishy?
Yeah. Bah! 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 Head.
Oh, it's hard to focus. Oh, that is super cute. And they're really bright compared to Mochi Squishies, which I think are usually more like light colored.
And then the turtle is very smiley. Looks so happy.
Yeah, it's got a cute face and it's got the licensing on the bottom. Jakks China 2018. Oh, they're pretty firm.
Let's open the cap. Ooh.
Oh, cute. These are really nice. They're very well made.
Purple cat with white stripes, black stripes, eyes, and a note.
Really cute. Here is the second package. Looks like there's a cat.
And I see that's a bear.
I think it's a bear too. I'm not sure.
Or it could be a hamster.
I don't know. It's hard to tell.
Maybe when we open it and we can see it more clearly out of the package than here. But a cat, purple cat with white stripes, red ears, and we have this white.
I still don't know what it is.
Yeah, with black eyes and with.
Maybe it's a pig. I think it's a pig.
Yeah.
I wish there was like a list or something. I wonder if there's a list.
Sure it's a girl though because of the eyelash.
Yeah, there's eyelashes. Tell us in the comments if you think this is a pig or a bear or a hamster. Let us know because we don't know. Yeah, these are really soft. They're like
Meow.
they're squishier than like Squishies, but they're a little bit more firm compared to like a regular Mochi Squishy.
Ooh.
That's a really cute kitty.
Meow.
So what do you think these third ones are?
I think it's like maybe a seal and a blue bunny.
Mm-hmm. I like how colorful these are. They're really fun.
At first I thought it was a cat, but then I realized it had no ears.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Opened the wrong side. There's one. Oops, there's the other one.
So here's the seal. It's a nice lavender purple. So cute. It's like, I know that some of these are like sitting up like this one, and some of them are lying on their stomach.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, they're pretty squishy.
But they're a bit firmer than the regular Mochi squishies, don't you think?
Yeah. Here's the bunny squishy. It's light blue. Yeah, it's like a neon-ish blue. And it has the pink ears. I think this one's like folded.
I think that one's my favorite one so far. Super cute.
And it even has a heart nose.
Can I see? It's hard to focus. There it is. Oh, it's so cute. And these are kind of bigger than Mochi squishies too.
Yeah.
I really like these. And here's the last pack.
So we have a yellow turtle and a pink bunny.
Super cute. See if I can be a little bit faster opening this time. They do have them very well packaged. There you go, turtle, you're free. Wait. Oh, there's a bunny.
So here's a turtle. It has like nice green circles on it. It's like smiling, but the smile's a little bit sideways.
Can you see? And then what's the other one?
The other one is this pink bunny. Has a purple nose, and its ears are kind of stretchy and squishy.
I like that these are bigger and they're really colorful.
Yeah, like the colors are almost neon.
And they're super fun to squish.
Especially this neon pink. It's pretty neon.
They look like maybe they won't get as dirty as the other ones. I'm not sure. We've had Mochi squishies and they can kind of pick up dust and dirt really easily. But we find if you just run them under cold running water, it comes off pretty easily. So there's a tip if these ever kind of get dirtier. So out of those ones we've opened, which one is your favorite?
My favorite are these two little bunnies.
I like the bunnies too. How about you?
This is hard. I kind of like the cat that's lying down on its stomach.
That one? That one's cute. I like that one too. I still don't know what that is. It's perplexing me.
But it's pretty cute too.
It is cute. So these are really interesting. These are called the Jiggly Doos Lounge Set, and it includes an exclusive character. It looks like there's a little popcorn. I don't know if that comes out, but it looks, oh, and a drink. It says the couch and chair rock back and forth. So I guess you can put it on there and then it jiggles, which is really cool. Oh, here it says collect them all. Wiggle, jiggle, roll. 1 Jiggly Doos, 1 chair, 1 couch, 2 accessories. And I guess these are the different ones you can collect. See, this one looks more like a pig because it's pink.
We got these two.
Mm-hmm. I like this cat too. I don't know what that is. Is it a duck?
I think it's a chicken.
Oh, maybe. And then there's a narwhal. These are really fun. This packaging is super cute.
Oh, and the like yellow puppy's cute too. Yellow puppy.
Oh, yeah, that's a puppy. And it says there are 33 to collect in Series 1. So how many do we have so far?
9?
9? You mean including this one? I think we have 8. And then 9. And then 10. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, we haven't seen these in store yet, so I'm really curious to see how much they cost and everything, but this looks so fun. Yeah. Oh.
There's a little chair. Oh, it's in it out. So this is one Jiggly do.
Yeah, I can open that. Looks like tape shut.
So it kind of looks like a unicorn.
That's really cute, and it's an exclusive character,
Tail.
even though we have 2 of them.
Yeah. And this one you can like put on 2 of these, and this one you can put 1 of them.
Yeah, so these are little chairs or sofas, and it comes with this one comes with a removable drink, and the other one comes with a
removable popcorn.
Yeah, and we'll just demonstrate how they work. So put the little guy in there.
I wonder how they jiggle.
I'll just put it sitting down normally. And then I think you can like rock it back and forth. Right?
And you can also put the drink over here.
Mm-hmm. Cute. So if you just kind of rock it back and forth, it kind of jiggles. Oops. Or I can just fall right out. So those are really fun. It's like they're going to the movies or something. So here's the second one, and it looks kind of the same, except it's got like a smaller, like the pink chair is smaller, and then it's got the blue couch. So cute, right?
Yeah.
I wonder if there are different exclusive characters, or maybe they're all the same. So this one comes with the blue couch and the blue drink.
I think the drink actually kind of looks like purple.
Purple, yes, sorry. And then pink chair with the pink popcorn, and it's got the same exclusive character. That looks so cute. They totally look like they're going to the movies.
And they rock. Kind of.
So you can like totally move them into different seats, and they can trade spots.
You can move forward if you want. And if you want, you can like replace them and switch them. The little drinks and movies and popcorn.
So, oops, what movie do you think they're watching?
Maybe they can be watching Zootopia?
Zootopia, that would be a good movie for them to watch. They're kind of hard to squeeze into the couch one, hey?
Yeah, the long ones are kind of hard.
No, but I meant like they don't really fit 2 of them unless you pick like 2 little ones. But they're super fun. So let us know in the comments if you have found these Jiggly-Doos and what you think of them and which one is your favorite. We definitely had a lot of fun playing with these. Thank you so much to Jack Toys for sending this. They're so cool.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click on that notification bell.
Bye!
Bye.